In this video, I will show you how to create a free affiliate marketing style landing page just like this one using a free landing page builder. And if you stick to the end of the video, I will show you how to get access to a free autoresponder that will allow you to build your email list for free and broadcast to that list anytime you want. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, you will certainly need two important tools that are a landing page builder to build your landing pages to offer a lead magnet that will resolve a visitor's problem, and also you need an autoresponder to collect the email addresses of your visitors to become subscribers, and then you can use that same autoresponder to broadcast and get in touch with your subscribers any time you want. And in this video you will discover that there are two free tools that you can use for this, and you can make a landing page, for example, just like this one, and also integrate the free autoresponder here. And when I say free, it's completely free, $0, no monthly cost, it's free for life. So most of the affiliate marketing funnels start with a landing page just like this one, where we offer a free lead magnet that resolves a visitor problem, an opt-in form that allows the visitor to enter his email address, and then he will be redirected to a thank you page where he can grab the free lead magnet, and also he will see some recommendations or affiliate offers just like here in this case here. In this video I'm not going to create the thank you page, I already have it, but if you see how we create the landing page itself, you will be able to create a thank you page or any other type of pages. You can actually create a complete website on this free tool here. The free landing page builder that we are going to use today is Google Sites, and all you have to do to be able to use it is a Gmail account. So then you go to Google and then you search for Google Sites, and then you will see here sites.google.com. so you will access it and you see that you are already inside the builder. So now it has some templates that you can follow, but I always like to start from scratch, so I click on that plus sign and the tool will give me the editor where I can start building my landing page. You will see this tool here to take you and show you exactly all the objects, all the tools that you can use, but I prefer to skip this tool right now. And then the first thing I want to do is give a name to my website. So my website now is called Hot Short Reports. So I'm going to copy the same title here or the same website name, and I will put it right here. The second thing I want to do is go here to the right hand side where you have all the tools, and then click on themes to be able to choose one of these 5 themes here. I like to use impression, sometimes vision, but let's go this time with impression. Alright, now since I want to start from scratch, even this header here I don't need it. I want to start building from scratch. But if you want to keep this header, you put your title here, and then you can of course customize the background banner. You can do that, but I prefer to start from scratch. So I come to the left hand side of this object here, and there is this trash can where I can delete it. So now I have an empty page. Now at this point you already have an idea about your landing page, what will be the headline, what will be the subheadline, bullet points if you have a graphic or a video for the presentation. So I assume that you already have this, and I'm just going to grab this title here and use it on the new project. So I just copied this and I will go back to the building page. And what I want to do next is head to the right hand side where you can see themes, pages, and insert. So I want to insert a headline. So I click on insert here, and here you can see lots of objects that you can insert into the landing page. So if I want a title, I click on this one, but if I want an image, I click on this one, and if I want more options, I have all these. This section actually has layouts that are ready to use. So if I grab this one, there will be a graphic here plus a text here, and if I grab this one, there will be an image and some text below it, and then another image and some text below it. So these are ready to use if you're interested to put them in your project. So I can just add a picture here or a video and then add some headline and some text here. If I don't like it, I just click on the trash can and I remove it. If I want to use another one, for example, just drag it and drop it. You can put, for example, here picture, video, and above you can put a title. I mean, you have all the options that you might be interested in. If you want to make a longer landing page, you can use more of these layouts here. So you will have some objects at the top, some objects at the bottom, and then you can continue building your landing page according to your project. So I'm just going to remove these, and I wanted actually to put a text or a headline. So I'm just going to paste my title here, and this is it. So it says here, this is actually to control the text itself. So it says here normal text. I want it to be actually it says title. If it was normal text, I just select and click here and select title, but now it is already a title. And if I want to change the color of the text, there is this tool here. Let's say, for example, someone wants to make it blue, it will just choose that. But let me go back to the red color. I mean, I was using this one here, so let me go back to this one here, and now I have my title. So my title is done. It says how to make money with hot short reports, and now I need to insert the next section, which has a graphic and some text that can be subheadlines or bullet points. If you have you can put a subheadline here and some bullet points here. But what I'm going to do actually, instead of typing the subheadline and the bullet points, I have a picture. Actually, I have a graphic. This is a graphic that I made using Photoshop, but if you don't have that, you can just start typing your subheadline, your bullet points, etc. So I'm going to grab a graphic for the ebook here, and I'm going to grab another picture for the subheadline and the bullet points in this side here. So instead of this object here, I will use another one. I will use actually let's see, this one here. Alright, so now I have a picture at the right hand side and a picture at the left hand side. This will be the e-cover and this will be the sub headline, and then I will show you more about these here. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to click on this plus sign here, and then some options will appear, like upload a picture from your computer, select a picture from the library, or get a video from YouTube, etc. So I'm going to upload a picture from my computer. So I'm going to click, and then this is the picture I wanted to use, and then I can of course use these angles here to control the the size of the graphic, and I will keep it just like this. I think it's good like this, and then I can go to the next one, make it a little bit larger because you can control this as well, and then I will click on this plus button and grab the other picture which has the subheadlines. So let me search for it from my previous folder here, and it is right here. Okay, so I will respect the aspect ratio so I can show all the picture here. Now this is done, this is done. I want to get rid of this one here, so I click in it and then I click on the trash can. I don't need that. This small text as well, I want to remove it. So now the last thing I have here is my graphic. Let me play a little bit with this one here so everything appears correctly. Now here it says here that you can add something like a subheadline, but I want to get rid actually of both of these, and I will tell you why in a second. What I want to do here is actually put the opt-in form that I will bring from the other website, that is a completely free autoresponder to use with these affiliate marketing style landing pages. So let me show you how I do it. Actually, before that, let's publish this page here and see exactly how it will appear. Now it's asking me the address that I will give it for the web, I mean the external address. It will be Google Sites / the thing that you will write here. So it takes the title directly, hot short reports, and then I click on publish. Alright, so now it's published. You can click on this little arrow here and then click on view published site, and it will open on a new window. So as you can see, my headline is good, the left hand side graphic is good, and this one also is good. All I need to put now is an opt-in form in this area here so people can opt in to download the page, to download the ebook. So to put the opt-in form here on the landing page, I will need to put a new object here, insert a new object, which is embed here, or a code, a source code. So I'm going to grab it, actually click on it first, and it will be an embed code. And you can put here anything, because I will go ahead and grab the code from the other website. So next, and then insert. So this is the object. I'm going to drag it and drop it where I want it to be. So I want it to be right here, just underneath this subheadline. You will see that this will change and will become just like this one here, which is attached to your autoresponder, and anytime someone puts his email address, submits the form, the email address will go to your list, and you will be able to get in touch with the subscriber later on. So the free autoresponder and list management tool that we will be using is Leads Leap, and this is an incredible actually ecosystem that delivers highly targeted traffic, and also it gives you the possibility to create and build and manage email lists completely for free. And if you go to the left hand side here of the website and you go to where it says Send Steed List Manager, so you can read here that it says this is your free list management system. Use it to build a list, set up autoresponder, create automated follow-up emails, and set broadcast to your lists. Say goodbye to those expensive list building services. Actually, in Leads Leap, if you are a free member, you can create email lists as many as you want, and you can broadcast to those lists as many times as you want. But the only thing that you cannot do with this autoresponder when you are a free member is set up a pre-scheduled email autoresponders to go out without you touching anything, like a follow-up series that you set up one time and then you forget. Every time someone subscribes to your list, they will receive those emails in pre-scheduled order. This you cannot do if you are a free member, but if you are a pro member, you will be able to do that and a lot more, and you will receive also very targeted traffic to your offers. And by the way, if you are not already a member of Leads Leap, there is a link in the description below. It's my affiliate link, and I might receive a commission if you upgrade to a pro membership. But please go ahead, register there, and you can use this tool even if you are a free member. So now let's go ahead and grab the HTML code for our opt-in form. So as you can see, I already created a list here. It's called organic traffic. It's supposed to be called hotshot reports, but I'm going to use this list as an example. So there are already 2 subscribers here, but what I want to do is go to this button here that will give you the opt-in form, get opt-in code, as you can see, and this is exactly the opt-in form that I need to insert into my landing page on Google Sites. So let's go ahead and copy this, Control C, and then I will go back and then put it here on this field here that says code. Remember when we put it here. But before I do this, let me just tell you one important thing. If you want to learn how to create a list on Leads Leap, please feel free to go to the channel, go to the videos tab and watch these 3 videos where I explain exactly how to create an email list on Leads Leap, and also I show you how to create landing pages on Leads Leap as well. I mean, professional landing pages are made on Leads Leap, but there is a small issue with the URLs of those landing pages, and this is the reason why we want to go and use Google Sites instead of Leads Leap for the landing pages, but keep using the list manager from Leads Leap. So please go ahead and watch these videos. I know that you will learn a lot from these. Alright, so I grabbed the HTML code. Let's go ahead to the builder, click on this one here, this object here, which came from here, and click on this pen here to edit. So instead of code, I'm going to paste the HTML code that I got from Leads Leap, and then I click next, and you can see here that it is not very pretty because it does not have CSS tags, and this is why it's not so pretty. So the question now is, how did I do to get from this opt-in form here to this opt-in form here? So, well, I didn't find any videos on YouTube telling that, but what I did is that I took a free HTML editor which is called Composer, which is this one here. You can type Composer with a Z on Google and download this software completely for free, and where you can like manipulate the HTML code. Like for example, you see this code here, it's the same that I brought from Leads Leap, but I made a small changes to have only the email address field, and also put an image button instead of their submit button. So I did some changes to get this form here, and as you can see, if I click on this here, it says only what we can see. Here split, I can see the code and what we see on the web page, and here I can see only the HTML code. This is why I like to work with this middle one where it says split, so if I change something on the code, it will appear right away here, and I will let you know exactly what I did to get this form here. Alright, so now before we continue customizing the opt-in form and inserting it into the landing page, please let me just remind you to support the channel with a like, drop a comment, or subscribe to the channel, share, or all that kind of stuff that can support the channel if you like this tutorial, of course. Now let's go ahead and go back to the builder. So now here is my opt-in form. It's not very beautiful. I need to do some customizations, and also I found out that I used the wrong image here, so I'm going to replace it. I'm just going to click on it and then come to the 3 dots here, replace image, upload, and instead of this one I'm going to upload another one, which is this one here, because this one talks about the hotshot reports. And after that I click publish. Got it? Now it says how it was, how it will be. All right, so I click on publish one more time, and then if I wanted to see it exactly how it is published online, I click on this little arrow here and click on view published site. View published site, just like this, and here is exactly how it will appear on a web page for a visitor. You can see that this is good, this is good, this is good, but this is not so good. We want to make it a little bit bigger and attractive. So the first step to do to go from this opt-in form here to this opt-in form here is go to Leads Leap, create an email list, and then grab the opt-in form by clicking on this icon here, and then let's copy this code, and then before you paste it on Google Sites here, you need to do some changes, and for that you can download this software called the composer.com, composer with a Z.com, and then open a new file. So this is a brand new file, and if you go to the to this tab here where it says source, you can see that there is already some tags. Remove them all and then paste the code you brought from Leads Leap. And after that, you can, if you click on design, you will see it how it appears. If you click on split, you will see both the source code and how it appears online. So let's go to design. I can work with it just like this. So just keep in mind that this is the email field and this is the name field, but I don't want the name field, so I'm just going to click on it and then remove it, delete. And after that, I want the email field above the submit button, so I'm going to click a bit just before the submit button and then click the enter button, and then I will click Control A to select everything and then click on the center button. So now I have this actually where it says input, input, input. These are invisible, these are hidden, but we will see only this field and this button here. Now, as you can see here, I have the opt-in form got from Leads Leap, and I have this opt-in form with changes made. Two principal changes I made. The first one, I added some CSS tags to this field here to make it bigger. And the second change I did is that I replaced this button by an image button. So I already have button images online on my website, and all I needed is a link to an image button just like this one here. So let's start with this field first, and here we need to be careful. We cannot make any mistakes here, otherwise the form will not work. So what I did is that I removed the name field and I kept only the email field. So let's go here to the one that has already been modified, and the only thing I added to this field is this one here that says styles equal. So until the quotes here. This is the piece of code I added. So let's grab this piece of code, and by the way, I will leave this piece of code in the description below, as well as the button picture. Let me remove this as the button picture. I will leave these links here so you can use them for your own projects. So let me copy this code here until the quotes, Control C, and then I will go to the other page where I am working on the new form, and I want to paste it just before where it says type email. So I'm going to click here, space, and then Control V, go to source just to make sure I did it. So this is the form, where is here? Alright, so the style line that I added is right here. Let me go back here to split, and you can see now that the field is bigger. Okay, I'm not sure why, but well, these will be actually invisible, but let me press enter just to make things centered, everything centered. Now, instead of this submit button, I want to have the picture that is here. And in order for that, you need just the link to the picture. And as I said, I will leave the link in the description below. So I will grab that link here from the quotes to the IMG, actually all the IMG tag. So from IMG SRC, this is the link for the picture or for the image, that is the button, and then this closing tag. So I'm just going to copy everything here and put it exactly after button type equals submit. So Control C, and then I will go to the new page here. I'm looking for button type equal submit. So instead of putting the word submit, I will just replace the word submit here by the picture link. Control V. So now I just inserted the image instead of the word submit. I need to move here and then come back here to see the changes. Alright, so now it has been changed, and if I go to the source code, I can see the link to the image right here. Now go to design, and this is the complete form. I have the complete form. So what I can do now is grab actually the code from form until /form. This is the opt-in form, from form until /form. Let's copy this. Copy it, and then I will go back, of course, to Google Sites. I'm going to this field here, this one exactly, and this pencil here is to edit. So I'm going to take this and remove it, and then I will paste actually what I got after the the modifications. So I will put save here. I don't know what this picture is here. It's supposed to be in the middle, but I will take care of that in a second. So to make the form in the center, all I have to do is go back to edit the code, and then just before form, the form tag, the first thing that needs to be done is a center tag. So I'm going to open, close, get inside, and type center. Center. This is all I have to add in the beginning of the code, center, and then click next. Now we can see it's on the center. Save, and now you can see that it is in the center. You can move this object. You can make it bigger if you want. No, actually here I'm holding both, but I want to hold only this one here and then make it maybe bigger. So this is our page with a headline, graphic, subheadlines, and opt-in form. So let's publish. It says here is how it was, here is how it will be. Yes, okay, publish, and then after that I will click on this little arrow and view published website. For any visitor, he will see this. I'm sure that you will be able to make something a lot better than this if you put some work on it, and you can make it like a professional landing page that will allow you to get lots of subscribers. And by the way, if you do not have these lead magnets to offer, there is this website here, and I will leave my affiliate link below in the description, where you can download lots of ebooks. If you register for free, you'll be able to get 2 gold products. Without paying, you'll be able to download 2 of these ebooks here, and then make a landing page around it, and then make sure the license gives you the right to build a list with that same ebook. Usually these ones here that says private label rights give you the right to give away the PDF and build your list. So, but you cannot transfer the PLR license to other people. You can only give away the PDF. Now here is another thing that I wanted to show you on this landing page, and I'm talking about this banner here at the top. I mean, you can advertise any affiliate offer or another landing page using this banner here. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make a banner like this one. As you can see here, the landing page that we just made does not have that banner. So let's go ahead to the builder and see how we do it. So once on your builder, you go ahead and click on this gear here, and here you can customize lots of things about your Google website. And here is a very important thing to think about is custom URLs. If you want your domain name, for example yourname.com, redirects to this page here, you can use this option here, and I might do a video about this in the future. But what we want to do now is go all the way down here to announcement banner here, click on it, make sure you tick this one here, show banner, and here you can put a message. Let me grab the previous message I used here: make money online with affiliate marketing and free traffic. Control C, and then I go back to the builder and I paste it right here, Control V. And then if I go a little bit down, it says the button label. What does the button need to say? Let me say get access here. Alright, the button will say get access here, and here we need to give a link, and here is where you link to your other landing page, to your affiliate offer, to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to link to my YouTube channel, for example. So I put the link here and then open in a new tab so that people stay on my landing page in the same time. Now, one important thing is the color, and since the color of the background of the banner, and since I used lots of red here, let me continue with the red, but you can put it blue or any other color. Let me do this red here, and then I will publish to see the changes. Alright, I accept, publish, and then I want always to click on this little arrow, view published site, to see the result. And as you can see now, I have a banner at the top that says make money online with affiliate marketing and free traffic, get access here, and if I click on this button, I'll be brought to my YouTube channel. So, but you can link to an affiliate offer or any other landing page you have. So this is the landing page we just made for free on Google Sites, and also we have this opt-in form here that is related to our free 100% autoresponder from Leads Leap. And if you don't have an account, I will leave my affiliate link in the description below so you can become my referral on Leads Leap, and then we can work on something together. I'm very happy that I made this video for you, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description below. I will come back as soon as possible to answer your questions, and I will see you on my next video. Cheers.